Okay, I guess I gotta get ready to do my intro. Whew. What's up everybody, Camero here, and I'm live streaming on Twitch again. I'm not working on Pokemon Title, because this time I'm working on my new game for the Relic Castle Game Jam. I'm just starting at this stream. It's going to be probably a little bit of a short one, but this is me starting from a fresh version of Pokemon Essentials. I haven't even decided on what to call the game yet. I will return to Title once the Game Jam is done. I just need to get back to it. And yeah, so I'm just going to be live streaming this for like maybe an hour and a half. And I'm going to be making a game from the start right now, so you get to see the entire process. So right now I just have Pokemon Essentials like V16.2, and I have done nothing to it. So in this stream, I'm going to start doing some things to it. First, let's make a new map. So my idea for my game is the theme of the competition, or rather it's an optional theme, but the theme is trios, and I want to make a map where there's like an island challenge and you have to go to 3 mountains, and I also want to make it so that way like a lot of stuff scales based on your level. So I'm gonna make a starter map, which is like an indoor kinda map. I need to get a black background first, but yeah, this is just gonna be like the start of a game. It'll be nice. Let me set the auto tiles, set this one to black, and make it so you can't pass it. Cool. I like to do that just so it's very obvious where is outside the map and where is inside the map. So essentially the way this is going to work is there will be 3 exits. Maybe I could use this as the floor instead. Maybe I should make it 4 exits. But it'll be kind of like if you've played Majora's Mask, there's the 4 directions, and in each direction there should be something. In 3 of them, there will be mountains, and those will be where the challenges take place. And you can do them in any order you want, which is why I do the scaling of the levels. But yeah, I'll set up the scaling in a little bit also, because that's actually extremely easy. I'm going to set up a lot of stuff tonight. This will be like a setup stream. I'm going to be future-proofing my game. Let me check chat. Hey, Paul, what's up, man? How you doing? How you doing, man? Yeah, with the name change. Right now, I'm Thundaga Stream, because I made it more about my YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm excited to be getting back into it. I need to stream more, but I'm a busy boy, you know. It sucks. Yeah, I feel like I should just stream every night. That's part of the reason why I'm doing this Game Jam challenge, because it'll motivate me to stream more. Otherwise, I'll just lay around and be like, whatever. Nobody cares. That's how I felt before. It sounded kind of emo, actually. I was like, man, nobody's gonna care. Nobody watches anyway. But if I do these streams consistently enough, hopefully some people will drop by and not say too many mean things. Maybe they'll keep the mean things to a minimum. I'll handle a little bit of mean things. Get into that affiliate. Yeah, the affiliate program. That's also like a real eye-opener. That's kind of another thing pushing me in the direction of streaming more. So the way that this should work is it should be like a hub. So this is going to be like the central area. I don't want it to be too big. I want there to be like a Nurse Joy and a Mart, and then maybe some people walking around and talking, and that's it. So nothing too crazy complex. I'm on interior now, so I can do like a heal machine over here in the corner, maybe. I'm trying to find a good desk for Nurse Joy. I feel like this is good for the Mart. Actually, no, there's another one that's even better for the Mart. Come to think of it, the Mart and the Pokemon Centers both have their own unique tile sets. Oh well, I'll make it work. I'll make it work. It doesn't have to be too insane. It can be pretty basic. Katsuna, what's up? How you doing? What's up? So if I hold it, then I might get in. Oh yeah? Wait, so what do the average viewers have to be to get into the affiliate? Professor Funky Gaming, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome. What do the average viewers have to be to get into the affiliate program? I used to stream a ton of Kingdom Hearts and stuff. Those were the days. I feel like I should move this down one more. Boom. All right. There. I feel like I'm kind of slacking right now. Like, This is the first stream of a new game. I kind of want to do something more crazy. I'll get to the crazy stuff in a bit, though. Maybe this is fine. Hey, Chifixel, what's up? How you doing? It's got a name change. I know I recognize that Chespin. How you doing? How you doing? Should be 3? Okay, 3 to get into affiliate? Really? Oh, man. Dude, I could be an affiliate. I could become Philip affiliate. Yeah, here's a PC. Let's see. Get your streams again. Hey, I'm glad you could catch it too. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I need to... I'm going to be streaming a lot more consistently now. And this is a promise. And I know I've been really bad at keeping my promises when it comes to streaming consistently. Sorry. But this time... this time I mean it for super realsies. Which sounds really dumb. But... I want to work on this Game Jam game on stream, and I think participating in the Game Jam will be great for me. Average of 3 concurrent viewers. Okay. I can do that. I can make that happen, baby. Hells yeah. There we go. That'll be a nice little mart. Maybe I could like put something behind it. I don't need to do anything too crazy though. Like, if I put these on this layer, and then do these on the second layer, yeah, there we go. Very nice! There's our little mart area, very nice. Okay, so I said I was gonna do some crazy stuff. Right now, this is all just jerking around. I need to do some real crazy stuff. So I need to go to the internets. Let me minimize this so it doesn't take up the entire screen. And I need to first install one of the most important and greatest and most beautiful of the game plugins, Elite Battle System. And it has the auto installer now. I actually haven't used the auto installer. Well, actually, no, I have. Luca's website is so slick. Like, isn't that slick? Oh man, that's slick. Yeah, easy install, up to date, always. Good stuff. Download. There we go. And I'm gonna back up. Kyrosure, what's up? Welcome. How you doing? Hello, hello. Wait, did I download it, or am I just a moron? There we go. I did download it. I am just a moron. Wow. Oh yeah, I still have my Pokemon Essentials downloads here. Next Q&A. I don't know. I don't know when I'm gonna do another one of those. I took my entire day editing it. I feel like I liked the final project, the final product. Maybe I'll do like Q&A streams also. I'll try that. Okay, I've got it installed. I mean, I've got it downloaded. Let's see. Download, extract the files into the project's root folder. Simple enough. I've done this once before, but yeah. Let's see. Where's my project? I think I just called it Pokemon... What did I even call it? Pokemon Game Jam. There it is. Take them all and throw them in there. How's the audio, by the way? Is the music too loud? I'm going to change the song also. Yeah, now we're talking. Now we are talking. Cool. They've been extracted in. Run the plugins. Make sure to close RMXP first. Yes, sir. Save, close. Very good. They've been extracted, and I have to run plugin the executable. Ooh, excuse me. It's very important that an instance is not running when the installer is, otherwise it will not be able to... Yes. Okay, cool. Follow the instructions in the wizard, which is from the executable, which looks so damn snazzy. It's not showing up fully because it's treated as like one of the Pokemon Essentials games, which like only goes to like there on the screen. But yeah, it's very snazzy. I very much love Luca's work because I really don't need too many of these. I mean, it would be kind of cool to do a trade expert in the game. Mouse system, I guess that would be kind of cool. Smart downloader. Yeah, that's cool. World tournament. I mean, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not install all? Come on, baby. All right, cool. It's installing now. It should show up a progress bar pretty soon. Yeah, there's a progress bar now. You can't see it. I can. It's like towards the bottom of the window, but it's very nice. So that's Elite Battle System working on installing. And almost like Pokemon Mirror in a way. So it is planned to be mainly battling. There will be a lot of exploration. The plan is mainly to keep it kind of like open world, go whatever direction you want, because I'm going to be using a lot of level scaling, where a lot of the wild Pokemon and trainers will scale to your level. I'm going to look into the formulas for how they scale, because I don't want it to be too exploitable. Because you could have one Pokemon at level 50, and then 5 other Pokemon at level 1, and then just like steamroll. I kind of don't want that. I'm also going to definitely like heavily emphasize the Exp All in this game. I love the Exp All. Oh, and then run from debug. Okay. Which is easy enough to do. And then it'll configure Elite Battle System and such, saying, hey, your files, let me move them into better, more organized folders. And I say, yes, let's do that. But yeah, this is going to be, so, oh, let me mute my song. I guess now that the game's running, it's going to play sounds over it. The plan is to make a game that is... Yes, I would. That is very simple in its story and its formula. Oh no! What have I done? Runtime error. New Pokemon equals. Interesting. Let's run this again. Where is that runtime error? I need to get down to the bottom of this quick. Oh, there, I need to update. That's the problem. There's the progress bar. Very nice. Cool. Let me look back at chat. What's going on? Let's see. Exp All. They're sent out? Yes, yeah. I wanna make it so that way it will be more about building a balanced team and less about like just only having one Pokemon that's really strong. Because one thing I've noticed when I play through a lot of Pokemon games, the first thing is I'm very impatient. So it's partially my fault. I accept some blame. But I prefer to play through Pokemon games fast. I want to beat the gym. I want to beat the route. I want to move on. I want to go, go, go. And I don't want to stop in the grass and grind to level up all my other Pokemon. I just want to keep battling and keep battling. And I feel like the Exp All makes that easier to do because I'm impatient. It's my fault, but I'm going to do it. Please restart without saving your Open ARM XP project for the change to take effect. All right, close, reopen. There we go. Now let's run it one more time. And it should work. No. Is it because... Oh, I know what the problem is. I think I have to change my Pokemon game name. Because right now it's trying to load stuff from another file. Another save file. Where is that again? Here it is, game. Change title from Pokemon Essentials. Let's just call it Pokemon Game Jam right now. I have to come up with a good name for it. That should fix it. If it doesn't, then I need to look into why this is crashing. Cool. That fixed it. Nice. So we got our game running. It's going to play the crappy intro, so let's go to the intro and modify that real quick. I don't want to sit through a long-ass intro. I just want to go real fast. What was it? Change this one to action. Change this one to auto-run. There we go. So now this is the debug intro. It goes real fast. And let's make it so that way instead it warps you to HQ. Oh, shit. I put HQ here? That's not good. Let's reorganize our maps. HQ, you go there. Cool. And this is basically going to be the headquarters. I need to come up with a good name for it right now, but I also need to do some stuff. So let's make another map, and let's just put some wild Pokemon on it real fast. Actually, I guess there's no reason not to do it properly. So I'll call this outside headquarters. There's no name for it yet, but we'll come up with it. Outside, let's make it decently big. And let's make it decently big. No music yet. This is going to be the outside. Cool stuff. Alright. And basically, the base is going to be in the center of this map, and then you can go around, and then from there... So the way I want it to work is there's going to be like an inner ring and an outer ring. Let's go back to the music. And in the inner ring, there'll be like always low-level Pokemon guaranteed for like the start of the game. But then from outside of the ring, then the scaling starts. Cool, cool. So the headquarters has to be one of those buildings that goes out in multiple directions. So one of these. It'll be pretty big. Let's just drop one of these down right now around the center, and then figure it out from there. Because I actually don't have, admittedly, oh shit, wrong layer. Too much knowledge when it comes to using these types of buildings. I'm actually kind of a scrub, but I'll figure it out. Always do. So let's spread our entrances out a little bit. Cool. And now I need to find, is this the wall? No, that's not the wall. Let's see. A wild battle translation. Oh, you mean like a transition? When the screen goes to the battle, requires me making delation? What's that last word? But I think I know what you're talking about. You're talking about when it goes like doodle-doodle-doodle and then the battle starts. I think I can figure out a way to do those. Because they're just in a folder in your game. I think it's graphics transitions. Yeah, like Battle 2, Battle 3. I think if you modify these, then that I think the way it works is the white wipes first, and then different shades of black and gray wipe. These are kind of tricky to make. So this is one of the annoying ones where there's a whole bunch of spinnies. This one's weird. Yeah, you might be able to just like mess around with some of these. Yeah, some of these are weird. That one's interesting. Okay, what is the low wall? There we go. We're making some progress. There we go. Right on. Cool, so that's the low wall. Now what I need to do is kind of expand this down a little bit. Something like that. Cool. I feel like changing the song again. I also feel like it's too loud. I don't know. This song's pretty chill. Maybe I'll play this song. Yeah, this is my jam. I'm just gonna keep this song on now. This is my jam. Okay. Cool, so let's get more of these low walls going. Low wall. Yeah. Okay. And now I need to do one of the higher walls. This is a big ass base. I wish I could like put something in it to like spruce it up, you know, like put like another layer on top. Maybe I can. I'll look into it. Ah, sheet. Sick. Cool. Now if I want to make it obvious that that top one is also a connector, because I think I do want to make it a connector, I'll need to put a path there. So if that's like that, yeah. Let's just line these up. That doesn't look symmetrical, the building. It looks like it's leaning a little bit to the right. So let's extend the left by 1. Wait, was that 1 or 2? There we go. Cool. So now it's painfully obvious that this is... that these paths connect. Oh, mic bump. How unprofessional of me. Okay, and then these can go like this. Yes, very good. Very good. And since this is underneath, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, cool. Now we got ourselves a perfectly connecto symmetro. And I kind of want this to be on a hill. So let's put it on a hill. I like making hills. Oh, shoot. Wrong layer. Doing hills is one of my favorite things for my Pokemon games. I don't know why. I'm just obsessed with doing it. And let's put a tree there. Yeah. I'm starting to visualize the landscape, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. I like putting trees on hills with grass. It's really basic, but I like it. I like it too much, some would say. And lately I've been doing a different practice with my trees. It's kind of dumb, but what I do is... I mean, I guess this is all the third layer. I like to... Let me show you. I like to put a lot of the trees on the second layer. which is kind of dumb. And then on the third layer, I just put the tippy tops of them. So on layer 2, I got tree there, tree there. Maybe I'll do a little tree there, and I get rid of those old trees. And let's do a little bit of asymmetrical action. Or should I make it symmetrical? I don't know. Yeah, and then on layer 3, do a little bit of a crop top action. Boop, boop. It's sloppy. It's not perfect. To each their own. I have my own strange, stupid, weird patterns. Yeah, one thing that I'm most excited about for this game... Oh, I guess I can talk about that while I'm working on this. Is the different mountains will each have, like, their own different types. And from that, they will also have their own different puzzles. So I want to do kind of like a 3-mountain Moltres, Articuno, Zapdos thing. And I mean, I know it's not perfectly original because, you know, the movie Pokemon 2000 exists. But, like, each mountain will have one of the legendary birds, you know, and they're part of the challenge. Or they could be, like, integrated into the challenge somehow. And each mountain will be themed differently. So, you know, maybe the Fire Mountain will have more strength puzzles. We'll have some lava, have some rock climb. I mean, not rock climb, rock smash, you know. I think they'll all have rock smash. Whereas, you know, Articunos could have more ice puzzles and more, like, surfing and water stuff. Typing. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, man. You're alright, Professor Frankly, you're good. But yeah, and then, you know, Zapdoses can have, like, maybe more switches. More, electric and steel Pokemon in there. There we go. I feel like I might need to expand this map a little. We'll see. Because I want this to be kind of like the starting area. And it'll have, like, 4 quadrants, and then from there... I want there to be a decent amount of symmetry in the center, but then from there, it can just, branch out to its own. Let's do a little bit of this. Very nice. So far, so good. I mean, so far, so alright. It's meh. It's okay. It ain't perfect, but it's what we got. Something about that looks off to me. Maybe I'll get over it, but, oh well. Let's do one of these. Because if you do it like that, it makes it easier to just click and drag. Nice. So far, so good. Cool. So what was another thing I said I was going to do? Scaling is a big one, but that's easy to implement. I could work on doing that now, but I need to have a map with some Pokemon first. So yeah, the center area will be... Let's see, that was 2. This is 2. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 1. Cool. Yeah. Nice. So yeah, since this is for a game jam, this should be done by August 10th, I think it was. Maybe I should confirm. Yeah, I believe it was August 10th. But I'll probably want to get it done sooner. Maybe I'll release, like, test builds for people to try out. One thing that I really like about Pokemon Black and White tile sets is the sideways stairs. I'm not as into it on the Fire Red, Leaf Green tile sets. Let's see. Let's post a tree right here. And a tree right there. Get some trees up in this. Maybe this should be one down. I feel like it looks a little lopsided now. A little loppy. A little sloppy. A little jalopy. I'm not into it. Let's take it down. So I guess that means these trees will be on the layer underneath. It could be like that. Shoot! I think that's fine. A little bit of an offset. Damn it. This needs to be on the third layer. That's the problem. This whole thing's getting in my way and I'm, like, getting too worried about it. That needs to go on the third layer, so I can do that. And it looks fine and dandy now. Perfect. Yeah, you gotta think in terms of layers. Everything is layers. Every villain is layers. Ice sliding. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So will Lugia be in an underwater dark cave puzzle? I would like to do that. So I don't want to spoil too much, but I would like there to be 3 places you go to, in the main story, and then have a fourth for like an end game final place. That's what I would like to do. Let's see. So far, so simple, so good. It's all right. I'll want grass. So there, this will be kind of like the inner ring, and then there'll be like a checkpoint here, a checkpoint over here, a checkpoint down here. That all take you to the outer. I love that word, outer. Funny story. Well, actually, I don't know. It's like a really stupid, funny, like shit talking story. Oh man, you ever get frustrated when you go out to a restaurant with people who don't read the menus very well? Like, if somebody tries to order an appetizer tray, but on the menu it says that they're out of said appetizer tray. And they refer to it as the outer appetizer tray. Yeah. Oh shit, what did I do? Oh no, I didn't do anything wrong. I thought I did something wrong for a second. Just to make it clear for myself, I'll do that, so that way it's more obvious. I thought I ruined everything for a second, but I didn't. Everything is good. It's peachy keen. I feel like maybe this extends one too far. Nah. Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. Nah, never mind, I take it back. I like it. I like the amount of greenery that I got going currently. And I like cliffs. I like rock cliffs a lot. Let's see where we go. So I also want to eventually have like a dock area, which is the place where all the competitors first arrive when they show up at this challenge island place. I still need to come up with a name for the game too. I was thinking like triple trials or mountain trials, because that's really the I want to be like, you know, I really like alliteration, but I also don't want to use the word triple. But at the same time, it'd be great for the alliteration. Triple trial. So much Dutch. What are you doing, man? What's going on, dude? Sire, my liege. What's up, dude? Welcome back. How have you been? Let's see. So, do a little bit of this, do a little bit of that. No, wait. What have I done? There we go. That's what I needed to do. No, am I confusing myself? Why am I confusing myself? Okay. I need to... There it is. Wait. What have I done? Is my symmetry... Oh, that's what I've done. What the heck? I know what I did wrong! Oh, man. Let's see. Triple trial treacherous. Let's go. Good to see you again. Good to see you again, too, man. How have you been? I've been doing okay. I was unemployed, but now I'm not unemployed, so that's happy. See, I like naming things? Okay, cool. Let's talk about this. Let's go. So, this is for my Game Jam game, and the theme, it's optional, but I'm choosing to opt into the theme. The theme is trios, and my theme is this. There's a challenge island that a bunch of trainers go to, where they have to undertake 3 challenges, and they can do them in any order they want. There's 3 mountains, and basically you need to scale to the summit of 3 mountains and retrieve an item there. I don't exactly know what this item will be. I feel like making them like orbs of like the color might be a little too on the nose, where it's like, get the fire orb, get the ice orb, get the thunder orb, or lightning orb, because that's the plot of Pokemon 2000 to a T. To a 2000. But then again, it's also so good. I don't know. I'll have to think of something. But essentially, this is like a challenge island. And it's meant to be kind of difficult. Pokemon 3000. Oh, hell yeah. Now we're talking. One game, but Alpha version. Tell you about the region is Sinto. So is it like Sinnoh mixed with Kanto? Shinto. Did you know that Shinto is a religion? Or is it? I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I think it is. That's like the one where you believe in all the various spirits. It's like a Japanese Buddhist. Or am I thinking of something else? Maybe I'm just stupid? That's always a possibility. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. What am I doing with my life right now? I need to figure out this ledge. Okay, cool. I just had like a huge brain fart. Ooh. Let's see. that's next to Shino and to Kanto, whichever. Interesting. So it's like meet them halfway, kinda. Let's see. The Japanese religion dating from the earth and incorporating the worship of ancestors, nature spirits, and the belief of sacred power. Yes, I knew it! Shinto! I remember that one very vividly, because I was like, whoa! When I learned about it. That was my exact reaction. I was in class, and they were like, Shinto is this, and I was like, wow! Huh. Wow. Wowie zowie! That wasn't my exact reaction. I was like a 6th grader. Let's see, native religion in Japan, translating is the way of the god. Oh, okay, the spirits, man. The spirits. It's funny, my experience with Shinto is that in Persona 5 there are some personas you can summon that are supposedly like things from Shinto. Like, Aramitama is the name of it. Let's see. I need to figure out exactly how I was doing this again. Okay, I know what I'm doing. It's kind of sloppy, but if you want to make, like, downward steps, you gotta do something like that. And then give him one of these. I think that was how it was done? No, that looks crap. Where exactly... I need to consult the starter maps. There's one very good example of this on Route 2. There it is! There it is! There's my mongoose! Just stay longer about to pass out. Ta-ta. Alright, I'll see you, Chespin. Chepixel. This is definitely going up on YouTube, so if you missed anything, you can catch it then. But peace out. Mwah. A few Jim. Okay, Jim, let's see. So the area you exit from gets blocked off, and you need to get through at least halfway through the gym to unlock the path. Whether you wanted to leave the gym or not after that pathway, just that permanently talk things. Oh man, wait, so people were stuck? Oh boy. No Stuckerino. There we go. That looks okay. It ain't perfect, but it ain't garbage either. So, let's make this map a little bigger. It needs to be like 20 more. I mean, I feel like that might be overdoing it, but I guess it's better to have... I mean, it's still within the realm of not being too crazy big. Oh man, burp. Oh, jeez. Pardon me? Okay, here we go. I think that'll be good. There we go. I'm always like sketched out by the concept of select all. There was one time it was when I was working on Pokemon Noir, which was like the very first Pokemon fan game I ever did work on. And freaking, I lost half of one of my routes. It was awful. I lost half of one of my routes just when I wanted to move stuff. And I wanted to die afterwards. Okay. So this will be the path that leads to the top. And the top will basically be like the bonus area where Lugia is. Let's see. Twitch Prime. Hell yeah. Benefit you in any way if I sub to Twitch? It would benefit me. The thing is, I currently cannot be subscribed to because I am not an affiliate or a partner. I extremely appreciate the thought, though. That is beautiful. Mwah. But yeah, I need to become an affiliate to get a sub button. And I am currently not. But yeah, that would benefit me. The way it works is when you're subscribing to somebody, Twitch gets half the money and the subscriber gets half the money. I mean, and the person you subscribe to gets half. So essentially, if you keep subscribing to me via Amazon Prime, it'd be giving me $2.50 a month. Which, you know, it's not the largest sum of money, but it's the thought that counts, you know? It's the thought that counts. Plus, you would get a sweet sub button. You'd get one emote. Affiliates get one emote. I would need to think of a good emote if I ever became an affiliate. Adds up. Yeah, exactly. If a lot of people sub, then we're talking like, oh man, 1,000 people subbing. I mean, I don't know if I'll ever get to that point in my life, but that's 2,500 a month. That's enough to live off of, like, pretty decently. Yeah, you can get good stuff if you subscribe. You can get oh my god, what have I done? I wasn't even paying attention and I wiped out like half of my building. Goodness. There we go. Boop. Yeah, I wanna one day get a sub button. The thing is I need to stream more. That's affiliate. Yeah, 3. Really? If you get 3 emotes and you're an affiliate, then that's pretty great. I was under the impression that it was only 1. I thought I read somewhere that was the case, but I would love to be proven wrong, because taking 3 emotes, I could come up with some really like meme stuff. I don't want to be too memey though. I want to crack down on memes. Dijon. Oh hell yeah. Shrimp flavored ramen. Nah, we're taking it one step up. I'm gonna get creamy chicken flavored ramen. Now you know how I'm living the good life. Luxury. A life of luxury. One of the reasons that I'm streaming a little bit later today is I went to Walmart with my family, and you know, there's so much shit to walk by, so I'm like, okay, let's go, and we're like, no, what's this? I don't know, I'm probably peppering up the story a little bit to be not reality, but essentially, we started talking about the tier list of ramens, because I remember in the day there was a tomato ramen, and that one was great. We walked past the Oriental flavor one, and that one's really good too. Creamy chicken, that's up there. That's up there. You're at Walmart too? Oh shit, dude. Was it? I think it was you so much, Dutch. Was it you that we came to the conclusion that we were the same person? It's like whatever I do, you ended up doing that day also. We are one. Let's see. So the path will realistically end like here. Kalova Island. I like that name for an island. That's good. I'm gonna put this grass here as a marker of where the transition will occur. God dang. Gosh dang. Okay. Look at all these cliffs. And maybe I'll put some trees up on these too. But yeah, this is a nice little island. There's the 4 directions. And I might, like, do some stuff in between them to separate them so they each have their own different... Oh, what if I did that? That'd be crazy. What if I... Okay. I'm gonna try something a little insane. It might not be worth, but I'm gonna try it. What I'm gonna do is this. Hear me out. This is gonna sound stupid, but what if I make the map and then just clone it 4 times and have these all be separated and not connected? And that is kind of stupid. I could just do map connections. Essentially, if I wanted each quadrant to have their own different... Nah, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Cause then they can also be... Okay, never mind. I know what I'm gonna do. I had to talk it out with myself. What I'm gonna do... Oh gosh. What the... Okay. There'll be the inner circle where all the Pokemon are the same, and this is just like the closest to the place, and this place is like kind of crappy. Both doppelgangers from opposite ends of the multiverse. The multiverse. There's multiple of them, that's all I know. It's like some Rick and Morty stuff. Aside from a few goofs, they said I did great, and I'm working on a small game. Nice! That's awesome. Game Jam, I'm still learning after all. That's really cool. That's one of my favorite things when it comes to like making a game, is having people play it and figuring out, you know, what they liked and what they didn't like. That's actually one of the most satisfying things. That's really cool. Let's see. And Ivavon. Wait, what? Game including you. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, man. That's really cool to have references to stuff like that. Thank you. It is an honor for me to be put in your game. It's also like surreal. I can't wait till like some of these games come out and I get to see myself in them and I get to go like, haha, that's me! That's me! Let's see. Drop Urbino. Copy the tile set 4 times and recolor all the grass in each quadrant. Interesting. To their respective colors. Recolor the grass. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. You know, but maybe. Ah, yeah, there it is. Let's see. There's a lot of freaking trees. I feel like I put too many trees. Let's dial it. Let's dial it back on the trees. Less trees, please. Boop. Do some of that. Okay. Go up here. Do some of this. Do some more hills. Cool. I feel like this needs to be moved over 1. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Now I don't have so many gosh dang trees. And then I can kind of bring it back. Let's have this go up a bit. Cool. Hard to type. Yeah. I feel that. I've been getting progressively worse at typing on my phone. I don't know how, but I managed to misspell everything in horrific ways. There we go. So let's have this kind of go back. Cool. And then do one final loop-de there, and then this will be the part where the route ends. And that'll be a 3-path as well. Let's have it go back one more. Cool. Because it's a prize. Alright, I'm into that. I like the sound of that. Okay, have that go. Cool. And then there can be like other trainers walking around in our hub area. Essentially, it's meant to be like the center to start the challenge. Cool. And then this will be also where like the weakest Pokemon are found. It's at the very start. And I need to think of what the starters are going to be. Maybe I should have a lot to choose from. BRB? Alright, I'll see when you get back. Peace out. Peace out. I don't know why I say peace out instead of peace out. It makes me sound like I'm a freaking weirdo. I think it's because I am a weirdo, actually. Cool. So we're making pretty decent progress on the hub. What I need to think about is, so down below is, maybe I should open up paint. No, I don't want to open that. Okay, cool. So essentially what we got, let me map it out in my head. This is going to look really stupid, but let me map this out. So we got our hub here in the center, and then it branches out into the 4 paths. Very nice. And then along path 1, actually no, let's call this path 1. Let's call this path 2. And there'll be like a route, a route, a route. And then hub. So hub, none of the Pokemon's levels will scale. That's a really terrible 3. There we go. But in 1, 2, and 3, they will scale. There can also be 4. And that can be a route, but there'll be like a progress stopper there. Some sort of HM, maybe waterfall, preventing you from moving forward. Until you get it after beating the other 3. And this is basically the final place. Maybe we could put Lugia there. Who knows? Lugia? And let's do this. Let's do this. This will be where the dock is. And that's where the boats come to bring the challengers to the island. This is a shitty boat, but you know, you get the idea. And then this is mountain number 2. M2. And then over here, I don't know if we need to have any other offsets. M1. If I feel like it, I can put other stuff in the hub or put other stuff on these routes. But right now this is... Oh, and the shit, that's supposed to be M1. Oh, whatever. It looks close enough to a 1. This can be M3. So that's basically like all we need to do for the game. There's nothing too crazy besides those. You know, you can put other stuff, like basically make these challenging, put bonuses, put extra stuff in them. But for a Game Jam game, this isn't too like over the top ambitious. The idea is to make a very contained experience and then build upon it from there. So get the groundwork all laid out, get it all set up, and then afterwards, then start to pepper in some stuff. You know, maybe add a safari zone here, maybe add a, you know, daycare or a place to grind. You know, maybe I could implement the tournament. You know, add some traders, add some this, add some stores. But in general, that's the groundwork. Let me just save this. Actually, I mean, it looks awful, but I'll just call this groundwork. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. Last Up HD, what's up? Welcome, how you doing? ANC, what's up? Welcome. How you guys doing? Let's see. What do we got here? Are we thinking all starters? Yeah, no fake mon in this. For starters, are we thinking 2 or 3 starters? Star. I'm thinking, I don't know, for the starters. I really like Gen 3, but I feel like maybe I should give more than 3 to start. Maybe I should have the choice be like 5 starters if you want to also get like a rock type. But then again, if I make it so that way the starters are more normal and have more interesting Pokemon to catch nearby, that might be good too. Oh yeah, one thing I said I was going to do before the stream ends was do some more interesting stuff. I'll show you how to do the Exp All. Check this out. I'm gonna make a tutorial for this, probably. I was trying to make a mystery gift tutorial last night, but I couldn't get it to work. Yeah, one thing that's really interesting is the Exp All has already been made in Pokemon Essentials. All you have to do is make it in your items. So the way it works is when you interact with it. Oh, I like this song. This is from Pokemon Black 2. I'm gonna skip it though, because I like this song even better. Hells yeah, I'm into this. Relic Jam? Yes, I am. Which gens? I think I'm gonna go 1 through 5. 7:45 a.m. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Man, I get up for work at 7:45, 7:50. And it's like the end of the day now for me. Charmander, Chikorita, and Piplup. Ooh, interesting. I don't know what I'm gonna choose for mine. Maybe Gen 3. I'll think of something. I'll try to make it interesting. Maybe I won't even do typical starters. Maybe I'll like have abnormal ones to choose from, like interesting ones. But here we have it. Exp All has already been defined. The way it works is when you use it from your bag, it changes one item to another item. So there's Exp All and Exp All off. So if you have the Exp All on and you use it, it'll turn off. If you have the off and you use it, it'll turn on. And the other... Oh, let me bump my mic even more. The other place where they define it is here. In gaining experience after a battle, if you have the Exp All in your bag, and the number of Exp All items is number greater than 0, then it doles it out to everyone in your team. So all we have to do is go into our items.txt and make it. And we have to give it the same code as an item that we can use from our bag. And we have to use the exact same name. So let's look at other key items that we can use from our bag. Maybe something like a coin case. That can be used from our bag. So really, we can actually just copy all of this and then start modifying it for our own purposes. Cool. So instead of 525, that'll be item number 526. Its internal name should be Exp All in all caps. No typo there. That's important. And I'll just call this Exp Share. Exp Shares. So this internal name is very important and must be unique, but this next name is just the name that shows up in game. That does not have to be unique. And let me modify the description now. So it says status on. An item that grants all Pokemon in the party experience after battle. Cool. So let's copy this again, and instead of Exp All, let's call it Exp All Off, which was the exact name from the other one. Cool. So we've got our Exp All. Let me check for it real quick. Ah, shoot. I typed in the wrong one. No, what have I done? There we go. So Exp All and Exp All Off. Those are the internal names. Those match up. Cool. The only other thing I need to do now is go into the items folder and get art for our Exp All. I mean, graphic icons. Scroll down all the way. Let me actually find out what item the Exp Share is. That's number 77. So let's go to item 77 and just copy that. Oh, another thing I need to do is modify the description real quick, because right now it says status on for both of them. So when it's off, let's make it say status off. Cool. Ah, minimizing windows when I don't want to. Cool. So here's item 77, copy paste. And now this is item 526. Copy paste. Rename. Item 527. Cool. So now all we have to do is give it to our player. Let's just make it a pickup right now. Here we go. Let's drop it right there. And instead, let's make it so when you pick it up, you get an Exp All. Cool. And what am I gonna do now? Should I show off that the Exp All works? I guess another thing I can do is show off the wild Pokemon scaling. I believe if I search dungeon, it'll take me to the map that has it. What exactly was it? Encounter modifiers. Here it is. So in the encounter modifiers script, there's stuff here that modifies encounters. Fancy that. Encounter modifiers modifies encounters. And right here, there's one called Events on Wild Pokemon Create. And this is used in the dungeon map. So if the game's map is map ID 51, then that's the dungeon. Then it'll balance them all out. But we can modify this so that way, instead of just checking one map, it checks a long list of maps that we feed it, and then it'll scale the Pokemon's levels on all of those maps. And we can do that, I think, by going to multiple forms, Shellos. Shellos checks a lot of maps. What it does is it creates an array and then checks to see if the game map is included in that array. And we can copy that and go back to our encounter modifiers and just replace this. Bloop. Cool. So if the game map is in our array of game maps, or if the map's ID, which we fed it here, then it'll scale the level of the wild Pokemon. And then there's a formula here. I still need to look into that to modifying it a little bit, because essentially it balances all the level of the trainer's party, then subtracts 4, and then adds a random of 5. So if that's variety. But I could make it, you could modify it even further, so that way like there's less or more randomness. So like, and you could do rand 6 instead, so that way there's a higher variety. But yeah, this will scale the Pokemon to the level of your party. And PB balance level, let me take a look at PB balance level and see if I can, actually, let me first add the ID of my map, so that way this scales. This is map 32. I don't know why all these other numbers are here. Cool. So map 32 will have scaled wild Pokemon. I was gonna look at PB balanced level. Control Shift F, paste, search. Where is it? Here it is. Here's where it's defined. Nice. It returns, interesting. So it does this for the entire party. Balance level from BST. That's the base stat total. Never mind. I'm looking at the wrong thing. PB balance level. Where's the other definition? Here? Oh, here we go. This is looking good. Wow. Breaking this down is going to be really interesting. This is a long function. So it returns level 1 if you have 0 Pokemon in your party. And then it starts off with a sum. So it calculates the sum of all the levels. Okay, so interesting. So it adds up all the levels together. Cool. Holy shit. Yeah, it uses standard deviation. Okay, maybe I'll just take it. I'll just assume that this is good. Let me go and check chat. How are you guys doing? I haven't read chat in a while. JXL, what's up, dude? How you doing? Boom, boom, boom. Much faster streaming than YouTube? I don't know. Let's see. Going to bed soon. 6 o'clock. Oh, yeah? Man, I was just in, like, tutorial mode for a little bit there. Wasn't I? I was just reading all the stuff out, talking about Exp Alls and such. But yeah, let me start the game. Let me just set it so the outside headquarters has some music, so I'll know. I got no good music in my game right now. That's what I need to do. I need to import some good music. I have the Pokemon Black and White soundtrack. Let me just play... God dang, all these suck! These all suck! Let me just play Root. Okay, let's play the game. Pause the song. Alright. These songs are all bad. Root. They're all like MIDI files, you know? It takes a while to load, and then when it does load, it just sounds like... Alright, let's load into our map. That's our crappy map. Let's instead warp to our outside headquarters. Whoop! Here I am! Yay! I'm on the map that I've been making for the last, like, half hour. And it's garbage. It's just a garbage map, I'll tell you what. Okay. Let me go here and let me save. Actually, do I need to save? Oh, whatever. Did the song get quieter, or is that just me? This is a really crappy song file. Anywho, let's set some encounters. I'll just set really basic encounters right now. I shouldn't have done this. 25, 10, 10, yes. New encounter type. Land. They'll just all be Bulbasaurs right now. So now, if I run into a actually, I have 0 Pokemon in my party right now. If they're all the Bulbasaurs on this route are set to level 5, but if I give myself the demo party, the Bulbasaurs won't be level 5 in the wild. They'll be level 20-ish. Oh, there's no battle base. It's not set to outside, that's the problem. 21! See? So even though all the Bulbasaurs on this map are set to level 5, in the script, they just got set to, random. So they scale with my party. Here's another one, level 18. Cool. So they stay roughly your level. It's pretty great. Let me do some script changes real quick. Also, let me open up Twitch chat again. I'm sorry, I turned it away. Good to tell. Hey. Let's see. So the game I'm making, I'm going to have 2 rivals. One of them is going to get a starter from the professor, but the other one, that isn't one of the starters. Ooh, that's cool. Or would I do something different? I feel like if they're not choosing a starter, they don't really need to be there. They could show up later and just be a guy that has others. Probably stuff by defeat? Yeah, it does. I can fix that real quick, though. Man, I love Elite Battle System. Set that to true. Cool. Let's see. 3, 3.5. Yeah, I don't really need to modify many of these other values. I mean, I guess maybe... That's good. I could try true. Colton, I'm gonna punch you. Alright, cool. Let's run this now. Yeah, I definitely, I much prefer the battle bases on. But that's just personal preference. Okay. Let's see what Rival 2 though, because I want them to progress with the player like Rival 1 through the game. I guess you could use Rival 2 and have them, because that's what I did. It doesn't really matter what their name is, as long as they're just another recurring trainer that shows up. What was I gonna do? I was gonna set the metadata. That's what I was gonna do. I haven't set the metadata for this map. Let's see. Yes, show area. Yes. Weather, no weather. Map position, I'll worry about that later. Okay, cool, nothing else needs to be worried. Holy crap, I need to turn off nighttime. So one thing, I'm gonna go on a little small mini rant. There are two things that I feel like all Pokemon fan games should do. It's all personal preference. This is coming from an extremely biased place. This is just my feeling. But the two things are this. Turn off day and night, make it so it's always day. That's number one. And give the player the Exp All. Those are the two things that I wish every fan game did. It's all, once, like I said it before, and I'll say it again, this is all personal preference. It won't make them better, but that's what I want. In my own selfish, twisted way, I want every single fan game to have the Exp All and to turn off the day and night cycle. Because I play video games like exclusively at nighttime, and if I want to record myself playing a fan game, it's just going to be dark as hell the whole time. And the second thing is I love the Exp All so much. It's beautiful. Let's go in our bag and take a look. There it is. So status is on, use. Now it's off. Status off. Yeah, the scripts, the Exp All script is already in the game. Let's see, script rotation battle. Oh my goodness. Rotation battle sounds really intense. Yeah, so the logic for Exp All has already been put in the game. You just have to make the items. And I just have this text right here. Ding. Yeah. So once you define those two items, 10-minute day and 10-minute night, I feel like that would be fine. As long as I'm not just stuck in permanent night. Because my main complaint with a lot of fan games is they enable the day and night cycle, and then it's just nighttime exclusively when I play. Like, I want to record a fan game playthrough and have it not be dark purple the entire time, you know? Like I said it before, I'll say it again, I feel like this is all my own extremely biased personal opinion, but that's what I would like to see. If every fan game did that, I would be so happy. Let's see. Protect over and over again. Oh, man. Just spam protect. What a hero. True strategy at its finest. Let's see. F4. Oh, man. Some of the battles that they introduced, what was it, Black and White? They were like really intense. Day only game just for me. Thank you. Cause I love turning off the day and night. Cause like I feel like not a whole lot of games, like once again this is all personal. I feel like god damn, I'm always talking about how I feel and what my personal preference is. Damn it. Most games don't utilize day and night cycles, so just turn it off. Just make it daytime the whole time. You know? Like, what do you really gain from making it purple when your players play the game at night? What do you gain? What do they gain? Let's see. These elite strategies. NPCs. I feel like sometimes NPCs' elite strategies come from them just being like stupid sometimes. There are some times when I'm pretty sure I'm screwed in a battle. I'm like, oh, they're just gonna use this move again and kill me, and then they don't. There's been plenty of times where I'm like doing a playthrough, and I'm one hit away from death, but then they don't use the move that would kill me or faint me, you know, knock me out, kill me, and then I win. It's like, wow, did I really earn that victory? I was like, if they used Poison Jab one more time, I would have lost, but they were too stupid to use Poison Jab, you know? Oh, AI. Artificial intelligence never ceases to amaze me. Oh, whoa! What was that? That was a dang old jangle. Alright. I think I had like follower notifications on or something, and it just like went ding ding ding. That was beautiful. All right. So let's do a little bit more of this over here. Nice. Urbino playing at night. Yeah, that's true. You do gain an Umbreon playing at night. But, like, what else do you gain? Man, I feel like the negatives outweigh... I mean, the negatives outweigh the positives. Gotta go to bed? Alright, good night, man. Thanks for swinging by. I appreciate it. Thank you for supporting me. Just watching my streams is enough support. Good night, dude. Good night. Let's see. Let's actually get rid of this tree. I don't like it. Let's see. Do I like this tree? No, I don't. There's some trees I just have personal grudges against. Maybe I should use some sort of... I'll make signs. That's what I'll do. I was gonna say some sort of, like... environmental cue, but I think using signs is plenty. Hold off double protect, got 4 flinches, then crit me. Good times. Oh my god. That sounds like a nightmare. I know one time I was watching my brother play Pokemon Coliseum. No, Pokemon Stadium. And he tried to use Fire Blast. And it missed like 8 times in a row. Which is like unheard of. That's why I don't trust moves with lower accuracy than 100%. Because if it's not 100%, it feels like 50. You know? It'll find a way to miss. It'll find a way. Dang, it's gonna force me to simplify my trees a little bit. But let's do that. Yeah, that's why I actually prefer Thunderbolt to Thunder. Because it has 100 accuracy. Or does it? Does it have 95? Yeah. Riedos, another nighttime Pokemon, are pro for nighttime. Oh, okay. Man. Well, I mean, you could just make them so that way they can be found at daytime also. Because nighttime exclusive Pokemon don't have to be exclusive in these other games. You know what I'm saying? But I think I see what you're saying. Let's put more trees down here. Let's do one of these. Yeah. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's do one of these. Cool. So it was like that. Then it was like that. Then it was like, oh! And then it was like that. Hello, what's up, man? Wildfire. Welcome. Thunderbolt's 100 accuracy. Okay. Thank God. All these other 95 accuracy moves don't feel like it. Introduce 95. Wait, really? Interesting. Is it because paralysis is so damn good? Bring me here. Oh, awesome. Tell him I say thank you. You're talking. Wait, are you talking about Kyogre? No, wait. No, I'm talking. Shoot. Oh man, I haven't streamed in so long. I'm sorry. I forgot names. I used to always say it wrong. Because it was actually pronounced supposed to be Kyogre. That's what it was. Or is it someone else? I used to always call him Kyogre, and he'd be like, "What the hell, dude?" And I'd be like, "Hey, sorry." Kairos and Kairashiro. That's it. Thank you. There's so many. I've had other people named like Kyogre and stuff. Thank you, Kairashiro. Welcome, Wildfire. I'm sorry. I'm just a dunce. It's late at night. I had a long day. And other excuses. Oh well. Yeah. This is just a chill little stream. Paralysis. Yeah, paralysis is so good. I forget what was the move. Nuzzle? My day was pretty good. So, let me tell you this. I don't know how much I can say. I don't want to divulge company secrets. But I recently got hired at Sony in San Diego. and they gave everyone a free copy of the new Crash HD game. The Crash Bandicoot HD that came out. And I was like, yay! That was my exact reaction. They're like, you get one. And I was like, what? I just started. Yay. Yeah. It was pretty decent. This is too much freaking grass! What am I doing? Yeah. Crash Bandicoot. I mean, I played some today, and I was like, oh, this game's okay. It's alright. But yeah, it's definitely a platformer. Crash Bandicoot is like one of the, yeah, but here I have this free game. I was like, yeah. Sure. I like free things. I almost didn't, too. I was like, I don't know, I don't know. Yeah, it's like, here. Benefits. And I was like, oh. Very nice. But yeah. It's pretty chill. My least favorite thing about the job is the fact that the traffic fucking sucks. Oh! I hate traffic. Yeah, they're enticing me to stay. They don't want me to leave. That's the way they get people to stay and never leave, you know? It's like some, like, creepy girl in a hallway going, stay with us forever. I'm like, no. And then they go, we'll give you free video games. I'm like, okay. I'll stay here forever. Okay, that's a good hypothetical. If you were in a prison, but in this prison, they gave you anything you wanted whenever you wanted it, would you leave? It's tough because it's like, is it really a prison? I'm getting whatever I wanted. But it's like, you're stuck. I don't know. It's like the concept of free will. Maybe I'm getting a little too philosophical. God damn. What have I done? Even freedom. Ooh! Yeah, if they gave you anything you want except freedom. That's the one exclusion. I don't know. I mean, maybe I would do it. You get whatever you want, but then you're stuck. Is there a catch? Let's just say there is a catch. And the only thing you can't get is freedom. The only wish that they cannot grant is you leaving. I don't know if I would do it. I mean, it's a pretty sick deal if you get whatever you want. And you just go like, one gelatin, please, one pudding pop. You become Bill Cosby, but not like that. Ask for a room expansion. Yeah, there you go. Can you expand my room again and again and again and again and again until it takes over the entire world? I don't know. Lately, I've been like really liking really stupid hypotheticals. It's all because I watch a lot of Oni plays, and there are a bunch of funny screams. Oh, here we go. Yeah. I think I would say no, because the concept of freedom has unlimited potential. But then again, getting whatever you want. But then again, 10 out of 10. Thank you. And I'm not even playing anything interesting. I'm just making stupid stuff. Imagine if I was playing a fun game. Wow, we could have a lot of fun then. There are some games I do want to stream in the future. I want to play Kingdom Hearts 1.5, 2.5. I got that. Ah, thank you. Whoa, what is that jingle jangle? It's got to be my follower notifications. I haven't streamed in so long that they're all freaking out. Oh, that's what it was. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for following. I definitely want to do some Kingdom Hearts. The thing is, though, like, making Pokemon games is kind of my thing. It's kind of my shtick. And I feel like if I break away from that shtick, I'm a little bit less interesting. Although, I mean, who could say that what I'm doing currently is crazy interesting? Wow, look at him place that cliff. Oh, wow, now he's placing another cliff. When you went, oh, my phone buzzed. What the fuck? Oh, it's a sign. That'd be crazy. Okay, here's another idea. I like hypotheticals. Let's have another hypothetical. I'm trying to formulate the hypothetical as I speak, though, because I wanted it to have to do with yelling and having that like buzz people's phones. Okay, if you had the superpower to scream and buzz everyone in the world's phone all at the same time, would you take advantage of that, like for pranks and stuff, or would you not use it because, you know, with great power comes great responsibility? I'd probably use it. The thing is, though, when you scream and it buzzes everyone's phones, it also tells them in their contact list your first and last name. So it says like blah 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 has tried to, so everyone in the world knows your first and last name. But at the same time, they all got the notification. So you can reach a ton of people, it just won't be anonymous. You can reach everyone in the world at the same time, it just won't be anonymous. Because I feel like that would actually be a really shit deal and a really shitty hypothetical, and I don't know why I came up with it. Because, like, once everyone in the world knows your first and last name, the police can just be like, hey, why'd you do that? I need to think of a better angle to this. Oh, but yeah, if you have a common name. Or you could change your name. You could live your life constantly changing names. That'd be so dumb, though. It's like you're on the run from the law just because you screamed and made a couple phones vibrate. Like you have to live a second life just because you're the screamer. There we go. I think this is a decent enough cliff. Let me put some rocks on it and call it a day. Boop. There we go. An uncommon last name. Okay, I have an extremely uncommon last name. It's like such a stupid last name. So if I did the scream, then everyone would be like, oh, okay. I know who this loser is. And then I'd be like, I'm not a loser. Ooh, okay. I'm trying to think of other funny, stupid things to do with the phone. I don't know. I'll just randomly throw out a stupid hypothetical. I feel like that keeps things keeps you on your toes, you know? You gotta think. I'll insult ourselves. Yeah. I do it all the time, baby. All the time, every day. I don't know why I said baby, I don't know what I'm thinking. But yeah. Self-deprecating humor, I feel like there's actually like science behind that. There's psychology behind being humble. I forget what it was. There was a YouTube video I watched that was really interesting. That was like the psychology behind like what people like and what they don't like. People really hate what they perceive to be ungenuine. What's the right word? Disingenuous? Essentially, if you think somebody isn't being genuine with their emotions, you will naturally dislike them. And it's not like any one person. It's just in general, if you think somebody is lying to your face, you suspect them of like being a liar or having like bad intentions, you're just not going to like them. You're going to be like, oh, this person sucks. And you'd be like, what'd they do? And you can go, I don't know, I just don't like them. But that's why. Because they seem like a liar. Ooh, everyone you touch, every time you touch something, you turn it into money, but you can't spend that money, and you must give it to charity. I feel like that's a pretty good hypothetical. Okay, it's kind of like King Midas, but like there's a more positive twist to it. I feel like you can't say no. Right? Oh, here's what you do. Here's what you do to game it. You can cheat that system. You can cheat the charity system. Do you want to know how? You create your own charity. You become the founder of a charity, and then you donate all that to your own charity. But that's just kind of like being a douchebag. What if instead of money, though, everything you touch turns into something, like, stupid? Like, instead of money, everything you touch turns into, like, whoopee cushions. So you don't touch anything. That'd be like the worst power. Like, why have I been cursed this day? What's one more? Yeah, exactly. And besides, this one would be even less scummy because you are upfront in how you're acquiring your money. You're not lying to people to get their money. You're just getting your own money. Because some other charities, like, lie. But this one just says, hey, everything I touch turns into money. I'm getting my money now. So this is going to go up on YouTube. And if people are watching this on YouTube without access to chat, they're going to be confused. But I guess they can get the general gist of it. Hypotheticals are fun. They're a great way to pass the time, especially when you're making a Pokemon game, especially when you're making maps for your Pokemon game. Inflation. Yeah, if you could all of a sudden create infinite money, it would totally screw with the world's economy. What power you would like? See, that's a common one, yeah. I've always said this, but I would like the power to teleport. I feel like teleportation would be freaking awesome. Mainly because I'm lazy. The main reason that I would use teleportation is because I don't like driving to work, and I just want to warp to work and warp back home, you know? Save me the commute. Oh, that's one thing I want to talk about. Self-driving cars, if you think about it, they're like slower teleportation. Everything when they're old. Ooh, that's an interesting one. You can have everything for free. Bring drawings to life, return. Ooh, that'd be kind of cool. Bring drawings to life. You'd be like Sai from Naruto. That's the weeaboo in me. I used to watch a lot of Naruto. I'm sorry. Oh. I finally watched Death Note, and I was like, wow, how did I not watch this ever for so long? Or read it. I mean, I guess you can read it too, because manga. I stopped caring, though, later. I was like, this is amazing! And then I was like, oh, now I don't care anymore. Ooh. Elemental manipulation. I think the children hypothetical, though, that one's interesting. I think That's tough. That's a toughie. Because part of me just wants to say, fuck yeah, I'll do it. But that's being super selfish. But then again, if you steal so much, is there a way to game it? Like, what's the way to cheat the system there? Pokemon to the real world. Oh man, when I was younger, I like dreamt about having a pet Squirtle. It sounds so stupid, but like, I think it'd be really cool. I really like Larvitar also. Oh, Jam Alert. What song is this? Little Root Town? Yeah, Jam Alert. They can sell for money. I guess so. There's got to be a way to cheat the system. Every system can be cheated. Listen to me stutter. Stutter up a storm! There we go. This will be... Da, 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 da. Now, yeah, I love Little Root Town. It's pretty chill. Buy $1 million. Excuse me, I would like to buy $1 million. Oh, here you go. For the low price of $1 million. Well, that's great, because I have $1 million in my hand. And there's the transaction. I take it from chat that people love this song. I actually love Hoenn very much. I would like to play some more Hoenn ROM hacks sometime. Because Pokemon Snakewood was a fucking trip. And Pokemon Quartz was life-changing. I think that'd be interesting to revisit for YouTube. Yeah. Little Root. Just Kalos. Interesting. Okay. Actually, it's hard for me to decide because there's so many good regions. I know that people get very opinionated when it comes to Pokemon regions. Sometimes myself included, because I'm a little bit of a hater. I don't really like Diamond and Pearl very much. That said, I haven't played Platinum, so I feel like I can only tentatively state my opinion right now. If I play Platinum and it changes my mind, great. If it doesn't change my mind, also great. Either way, playing Platinum will be good for me. Also, what's Franche? Yeah, Kalos. I really love that whole general aesthetic that they got going on. Let's see, Ruby Destiny Region of Legends is pretty cool. Wait, whoa, what's this? Ruby Destiny Reign of Legends? That sounds like some intense... That sounds like an intense fan game, if it is a fan game. I might be wrong. DJ Charizard, what's up, man? How you doing? Look who it is. It's me! How you doing, dude? I'm probably gonna end kinda soon. But that said, I'm having a pretty decent time. It's an older ROM hack. Ooh, okay. I'm interested. My interest has been piqued. To Let's Play. Okay. Oh, I've heard of him. I've never watched him, but he's the guy that did a playthrough of Xenoblade Chronicles. Xenoblade. Anime was good. Okay. Yeah. There's one thing that I dislike about more modern Pokemon games is I find myself becoming worse at remembering the town names. Where you been? I've been busy. Also a little bit lazy, but I was looking for a job for a long time, and now that I finally solidified a position, I will be trying to return to streaming more. I want to stream more consistently, and part of the reason I'm working on this game jam is because it will force me basically to be consistent with streaming, which I need. 25 over here. Oh man. Look at you, so late. It sucks when I go to bed. I hate having to go to bed at midnight because I'm used to staying up super late. But also, I guess it's good for me to get to a normal person's sleep schedule. Damn it. Up we go. Yeah. Lavender Town. Yeah, well, I remember all the names from the Gen 1 towns, but that's mainly because I played Gen 1 a lot. I feel like a lot of it has to do with my own experience kind of being a little bit biased. Like, I remember all the Gen 1 towns... Oh, bump. Because I played so much Gen 1. Oh, nice. All over the world. We can gather over our love for Pokemon. It's pretty cool. It's pretty dang cool. What was I saying, though? Something about regions? That is cool. I like that a lot. I thought the soundtrack to Sun and Moon was freaking dope. I loved it. That's what time zone. That's what I need to do. I'll move far away from here. My current time zone is Pacific Standard Time, so I'm West Coast, California boy. Except I'm not a surfer, bro. I say stuff. I don't say brah. Or what is it that California? They say what do they say? I don't know. I can't even do like the stupid like accent. I do eat burritos a lot though. That's true. If you ask somebody from San Diego what their favorite burrito place is, be prepared for like a long ass response. Pokemon Hoenn? Ooh, that's a good theme. I actually really like Discord. Yes! We talk about Pokemon, and it's kind of memey. It's also Jam. Ooh, yeah, the Pokemon from Hoenn, it goes, let me pause it. I'll do a little song. It goes doodle-doo-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. I'll play it. I feel like me singing it doesn't do it any justice. Oh, here's the one. Here's the original. Oh, here's the Omega Ruby Alpha Sapphire. Did I get it right? I think that's how it goes. I got it. That's exactly how it goes. This one's a little different. Let's listen to the original. Compare. I think I like the original better. It feels more alive, doesn't it? Paradox and Noir, yes. They're okay. Paradox is actually really good, a pretty good fan game that I made by myself, and I'm working on an update for it. The thing is, now that this other game jam has come around, I'm putting it on the back burner. I have a lot of different Pokemon projects that I'm putting on the back burner. It's okay. Yeah, this sounds like more like elevator music. You're right. Hey, cool Chico NL. What's up? Welcome, man. How you doing? Yeah, this song's pretty good. I mean, the remix of it, at least. There we go. Interesting. It sounds like wintry almost at that one time, at that one part. Yeah. Oh man. This is gonna put me to sleep. But maybe that's a good thing. Maybe that's what I need. Let's see. Maybe I should close this one in one. Or maybe I should just have the space. Yeah. There we go. That's okay. Pokemon Institute. Okay, I'll check it out. Institutes. There you go. Oh man, I searched Pokemon Institute and all I'm finding is Let's Plays. God damn it. Some of these have so many views. What the hell? Oh man, I just don't understand. I'm just ignorant. Where is the song? I can't find it. I'm gonna go back to my chill music playlist. I'm gonna go back to what I know. So Little Root's good. I like the Heart Gold, Soul Silver. This one's definitely gonna put me to sleep. I need to switch it. Here we go. Now we're talking. Need sleep. Sleep is for the weak, and I am weak. That was a terrible laugh on my part. I go All right. There we go. Let's get some really sloppy trees going in here. Oh no. Since I put them all in the third layer, did I screw myself? Goodness me! I need to think of a way I can fix this. Basically, anything that gets cut off needs to be put on the second layer. Dang it! I wasn't paying attention and then now I screwed myself. Because a lot of stuff is going to need to be put on the second layer now. Man, dang it. Oh, this is my jam. Yeah, look at all this. I basically have to be deleting entire rows And then later I'll have to place in entire rows. For the second layer. So in order for me to do the tops of the trees on the third layer, I can't also have the bottoms of the trees be on the third layer, which I accidentally did. I accidentally put the bottoms of the trees on the third layer because I put the entirety of the tree on the third layer. If I was using a different parted tile set, I could circumvent this, and I don't know why I didn't do this. How long have I been streaming? I've only been streaming for like maybe an hour and a half. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just glad that I'm making decent progress on this hub map. This will be a place where the trainer goes a lot, because this will be where I plan to put a lot of central stuff. I mean, the majority of the focus for my map making should be on the mountain challenges, but that'll come a little bit later. Pokeweeb thing. I think it is. Oof. Like, if anybody says that the anime is better than the games, then they're a Pokeweeb. I don't know what I would say to somebody if somebody said that to me. I don't know what I would say. I'd be like, okay, cool. Yeah, 25% of the game, right in this building. Yippee! Came back from work. Oh, nice. Time to chill, man. Time to chill. What was I gonna say? I feel like this place will just be like a central area that they return to in between maps, potentially. Let's see, I need to do that, actually. There we go. Here we go. Or it could be Friday his time. Some people do work on Saturdays. It depends on the company you go to. I know that sometime in the future, I might have to work on a Saturday or Sunday. I hope that doesn't happen, though. Fingers crossed. Look at me just copying cliffs. Anymore. Oh, yeah. Alright, you saved yourself from being a Pokemon weeb. Or a Pokeweeb. Or just a weeb in general. I find myself using the weeaboo too much nowadays. You know what I think is funny? People who are super into Doctor Who, like obsessed with it, and calling them teaboos. Yeah. Childish. Find a Pokemon training school. That's what it is. Oh, okay. Oh, no worries. Don't worry about it. It's cool. It's cool. But yeah, if somebody's like super into Doctor Who, call them a teaboo, because it's like a weeaboo but with British culture instead. It's pretty good. Pokemon anywhere? Oh, you don't? Wait, or is this the anime or the game? Because I thought the game itself was pretty fun. Every game will have its flaws, but I had a good amount of fun with Sun and Moon. I'm doing it again. I'm making the exact same mistake I made earlier. I'm putting these on the third layer instead. Oh, what am I doing? What have I done to myself? Oh, whatever. I'll figure it out. It's not that hard to sort this out. Put that there, put that there, put that there. There, there. Cool. All good, all good. Night, guys? Alright, night, Karoshiro. Good night. It was fun having you here. I appreciate you swinging by. I'm glad the tutorials helped also. Just like the art style of the anime. Okay, see, that I can agree with. That I can absolutely agree with. I actually haven't watched Pokemon anime since, like, the first season, because that was the only time I was into it. The only time I ever was interested in the Pokemon anime was when I wasn't playing the Pokemon games. And then once I got the games, I was like, oh, I like this more. Plus, like, the anime kind of misrepresents the Pokemon in a way. It's like, go, Pikachu, now dodge that attack. Now Pikachu. I mean, I'll admit I'm uninformed because I haven't watched the anime in so long, but it seems to me where it's just like, okay, now go do everything perfect, Pikachu. Okay, good. It became shorter. Yeah, it's like, why don't they just come up with a new character? Yeah, when you're the protagonist, then I'm like, oh, I care way more now. Hell yeah. I feel like if they're gonna do all that crap to Ash, why not just make a new character? Maybe it's because they want to keep a recognizable face. Let's see. Like a Fatal Command, yeah. Exactly. I actually don't like the creativity though. I guess some people do, because like it was kind of cool that like Ash's Pikachu was able to like trip the water onto the Onix when fighting Brock and then like electrocute it. But it's also like kind of stupid because that would never happen in an actual battle. I mean, maybe it would. If Pokemon was real life, it would certainly be closer to the anime than it would be to the video games. I guess that's a good perspective to think about it. There we go. I got my crappy little hub. It ain't perfect. It ain't perfect. But it's mine. I could start peppering in some rocks also. Maybe pepper in some NPCs. And let's move this Exp All to the inside. Put it here. I guess I could work on the inside of the headquarters now too. I could also make connectors. Let me find a good example of one such connector. Is this one? I guess it's okay. Wait. Transfer player, no fade. Wait, when they say 06, what does that mean? I think that means the direction, so they're facing... Oh, it's retain. Okay, that works for me. Let's just copy this. Paste Urbino. And instead, he'll go to HQ here. Cool. Copy, paste. Oh no! I overwrote one of the steps. Ah! Let's see. The power of friendship. Yeah. He just believes hard enough to kind of win. That's true. Ash doesn't really do much, right? Does he just go, go Pikachu, I believe in you! I'm believing really hard right now. I'm believing so hard, dude. Ugh. Okay. There we go. Steps. And I think I need to... Is this what I need to do? I think, let me take a look at that route again. They placed it there. Cool. And this, instead of taking you to that part of HQ, will take you to this part of HQ. And this will take you to this part of HQ. Cool. Performing game. Dude, Ash's Pikachu would probably do pretty bad. You just don't give it any commands. You say, Pikachu, do the thing! And he goes, oh, okay. What was I gonna do? Should I just do these three? Oh shit. I mean, oh shoot. I mean, oh damn. I mean, oh darn. I mean, oh crap. When I was younger, I thought that was the funniest thing, but in retrospect, it's kind of stupid. Just being like, oh shit, I said fuck. Oh fuck, I said shit. Ha 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 ha. Nah, it's not funny. It used to be funny when I was a mere child. Now I am a man. And it's still a little funny. Okay. There we go. Put a little bit of pulls in here. Let's pull it up a little. Let's pull it up. Doot doot. Doot. Followed by a doot doot. Doot. It's beautiful. I love those. Let's do more of them. Let's put some poles here too. crap. I know what to do. I got this. Ta-da! And let's do it over on that one, too. Let's see, what was it? This goes on the second layer, and then all these others go on the third layer. Ta-da! Beautiful! There we go. That makes it look a lot more official, doesn't it? Maybe I should reduce some of these trees over here if I'm gonna do that. I kind of want to make it consistent, but on the flip side, it's like, what's it for me? Nice to see it. All right, I'll see you so much, Dutch. Good night, dude. I think I might stream again tomorrow night. We'll see. Good luck on the game. Thank you, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna grind this out this month. It's gonna be great. But good night, dude. I'll see if I can stream every night. That'd be great if I could do that. But good night, dude. It was fun having you around. Good talking to you. And we'll talk more next time. Mwah. I might end the stream pretty soon myself. But yeah, this hub is making great progress. Let's actually load in and see if we can... So this is one thing that's really important to do when you're making your fan game. Walk up to the borders of all your maps. Oh yeah, let's also see if... Let's test our... Nice, it works. So I didn't set it for the interior yet, but the exterior works. But one thing that you need to do when you're playing your game, pardon me, is walk along the edges and see what you can see, you know, like how far can I see in? Like how do my mountains look? My mountains look pretty good. You know, how do my hills look? What can I see? What can I not see? So if I put the transition here, that's good because I get to the transition before seeing the end of the world. I could actually put the transition here, but that's good to know now. Got some grass. It's not that great. Oh yeah, the cuts off on the top of the trees. See, there's some stuff I'm still missing. But like, so if I put the transition here, I transition before seeing the end of the world, which is great. You don't want to see the dark abyss in the distance. What's going on over here? Do I see? I think we did a decent job closing in this map. Pretty decent. Yeah, so that grass line's supposed to represent the transition. That's going to be where I put the edge of the map. It tells us, yeah, so 8 to the side and 6 up. So as long as I have 8 horizontal or 6 vertical, then I won't be able to see the abyss, which is good because I don't want to see that abyss. And I mean, what I could do actually is do map connections eventually and make it so that way that's even less, and then I don't have to worry about it. But I'll worry about that later. Because if I do map connections, I can actually crop down a little bit. Kingdom Key, what's up, man? How you doing? Long time no see. Welcome back, dude. It has been a long time. Man, I haven't streamed in so long. I'm glad to be finally back doing some stuff. It's nice. Just chilling. Just chilling. Okay. What I want to do... What do I want to do? I guess I'll work on the transitions for the interior so that way I can exit and enter this building whenever I want. That's a little important, I would say. And I can just keep it to retain. Makes it easy. Sitting about? Nice. Me too. I'm getting kind of tired, so I might go to bed decently soon, but yeah, I have been interested in doing the game jam for Relic Castle, so I'm going to be grinding out this Pokemon game for the next month. Let's see. I feel like maybe that transition on that top one might not be good. We'll have to take a look. Test it. Yeah, it's very important to test your game. Playtest, baby. Playtest. Let's set this to be... Man, I need to download better music and throw it in here, because right now stuff like... Where is it? There's a Pokemon Center theme. Yeah, Poke Center. It's kind of garbage. I kind of want to download Pokemon music from Black and White, but maybe I'll just use other music instead. I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll use Ruby Sapphire. So here I am. I go in. I go out. Nice. If I go out here, it might not look very good, though. Yeah, that's not very good. What I need to do is like be on one tile below and then do a move up. Let's customize this one. Drops crap on the floor in case the mirage. Yeah, everyone's just dropping stuff on the floor. That'd be funny if like there were people that like cracked down on the littering in the Pokemon universe. Let's see. So if I go there, transfer, and then do a set move route player move up. How does that look? And then let's also set this event to through, just in case. Just in case. Okay. Because I don't know. I'm pretty sure it won't affect anything, but I'm just going to do it just in case. That looks better. Oh, shit. Down warps me there instead. So I think these all... Yeah, these all need to be modified now. Let's insert wait for insert set move route player move down. And then I can really just delete these others and then copy paste. And let's go to this other one and let's add a wait 4 frames in front. So you wait a little bit and then go. Let's see. Let's take a look. How is this? All right. So you walk in from the bottom. So far, so good. So far, so good. Now you walk in from the top, or walk out. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's what I like to see. Nice. So how's this one on the left? Oop, so that's okay. Yeah, they call me Camero. That's my name. Fun fact, my stream used to be Camero, and then I changed it to Thundaga stream because my YouTube channel is Thundaga. My plan is to eventually include more people in Thundaga, but right now we're both one and the same. Hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So what I need to do now is do something similar for this and the other one. What I can do is potentially have him go here and wait maybe 4 and then insert and then a set move route, move left. Maybe that'll be good. Maybe it won't. Let's take a look. Yeah. Square Enix. Yeah, it's kind of what it's inspired by. I mean, I'd be lying if I didn't say it sounded like a Final Fantasy. Oh no! Okay, so there's a couple things I need to fix here on my tile set. But this is a quick fix. This is easy. Let's turn the music back on. Let's fix Urbino, this didgeridoo. So I need to fix the passage. Let's see. Crap, I can't set it for all. I need to set passage for 1. There is one I need to set passage on. Unless they whiff. Yeah. Thundaga. Firaga. Kiraga. Dang. There is something I could do, but there's got to be a better way to do it. Maybe if I do this. Set the passage on these. Set the priority on these. Try this. Let's try this. Eroga, yeah. You know what's up. Okay, so this is the tile he goes onto. So let's figure this out. Essentially, there are 2 tiles. Oh no, not that one. Stop, sir. Because that's what they say also. Stop. Stop. Ooh, jam alert. So this tile is passable. This tile is passable. This tile is impassable, impassable. Impassable, impassable. This tile is impassable, impassable. Impassable, impassable. Cool. Doesn't check passability if that helps. Oh, really? Because I know that there is a way to there is a way to turn off passability in the move route, but I think it'd be better for me to just modify the tile set. But I mean, I guess. Oh no! Dang it! I still need to change the. Okay, I'm so close to being done with this step. The last thing I need to do is set the priority of the other part of the building. Let's go back to the music. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Set the priority of these to 1. Just for good measure, I'll set these to 1 also. I mean, it doesn't really matter as much what the exact number is. Okay, now let's try it. Am I crazy, or in that song, did it sound like there was bumping into walls? Like it sounded like this sound effect. You know? I love that sound effect. Okay. So going in from the left. No! What the heck? He still appears above. Do I need to set that to 2? Oh, let's take a look. Yes. Dang it. Come on, baby. Priority 2. 2. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Because my head still appears on top of this tile. Is it because that tile's... That tile was one of the impassable ones. Take his height. Yeah, he's higher than the one tile. Yeah. I just need to... I thought I did set the priority of the tile up above. Let's take a look. Oh no. 2 songs playing at once. I hate that. There's nothing I hate more than listening to 2 songs at once. Okay. So that's a no-go. That's a go-go. Hey, it's working! Yeah! It looks smooth! So now I just need to do the move route for this one. And then all will be well in the world. It's a small little thingy, but sometimes I get bothered by that. You know, sometimes that you're playing a Pokemon game and you notice that, like, instead of walking through the door, they warp to the other side of the door, and you're like, oh. You know? Well, maybe it's just me. I feel like working in quality assurance and then also working on Pokemon games has made me extremely nitpicky when it comes to these Pokemon games, but that's kind of a good thing. If you want somebody to playtest your Pokemon game, look no further. I'm gonna tear that apart. I'm gonna tear it apart. In a good way. In a good way. In a constructive way. But yeah, so that's pretty decent. Although, and I guess it's kind of hypocritical that I haven't made an amazing Pokemon game all by myself. Well, I mean, Pokemon Paradox is okay, but it's not enough to make me a connoisseur of all things fan game. Be Koem. Let's see. Forget about your drink. Oh man, I've been chugging this water though, but I know that feel. Become shorter, did the roof become taller? A little bit of both. Be Koem. There we go. So I'm gonna end the stream in 3 minutes when it hits midnight. What should I do for 3 minutes? I think I'm gonna pimp out the center of this hub. I'll add some carpet, maybe some couches. Let's do like a little carpet lounge table area over here. Water is my favorite water. My favorite flavor of water would have to be water flavor. Close second though is water flavor. Let's do a nice little table, something like that. Should I add some chairs? Or should I add a couch? I kind of want to add a couch. And I can just have, like, dudes lounging. That's too close. There we go. That'll be too high. Dang. I'll just add chairs. Lovely. Lovely. Breakfast now. See ya. Alright, good night. Peace out, dude. It's mountain time. No, I got a Pacific Standard Time. Let's see. Maybe I should do a glass table instead so that I can kind of pull it in. There we go, we got a nice little corner over there. EST, by the way. Okay. Dang, that's pretty late then. East Coast. 1 minute left. Oh man, I gotta speedrun this. I kinda wanna put that behind the counter, but now that I see that, it looks bad behind the counter. Pardon me. Okay. I'll just put this right here right now. Let's see. So on this other side, I should have another type of carpet. Maybe something like that. Oh no. There we go. And on this side, I'll have a red stuff. Like a red couch. Let's move it one down. And some red chairs. And for the table and project, yeah, Mr. Mitri, what's up, dude? How you doing? Sorry, Mr. Message. Yep, I'm alive. I'm not dead yet. Not yet. Yep, another Game Jam project. This time I'm gonna stream it, and this Game Jam project is gonna force me to stream consistently. So you'll definitely see me here a bit. There's a screwed up volcano in Yellowstone. Everyone's screwed. Very nice. Okay, so now we got our red and our blue. I kind of want to set up a bookcase somewhere. Maybe I could set it up behind the Gila lady. Let's move this down one. There we go. Now I can afford to do this. Nice. Is there any like potted plants I can do? Doing good. Been busy. Still working on my game from like ages ago. Oh yeah, I know that feel. I keep telling myself I'm gonna work on more Pokemon Paradox, and then I like don't work on it for a while, and then I always say I'm busy. Although technically I am, you know, I know the feel. I relate to you, man. Busy people, busy life. What can I put on top of a desk around here? I should probably have a trash can in this lounge somewhere. Yeah. I wanna work on title again, but I'm also like busy. Procrastination, yeah. Basically. Yeah, title's gonna be pretty great when I get serious about it. One of these days. One of these days. Oh man, I started like burping as I did that, so it like ended up ruining the voice. Dang it. I love that voice though. It's from SpongeBob. She goes, chocolate. They're selling chocolates. This is all lopsided now. I'll just put a different machine here instead of that big one. Black and white menu thing too. Ooh, yeah. So the resource for that was on Relic Castle. I can actually pull it up right now. Relic Castle. I'm going to the archived version because this is the one I'm used to. There's a new version that's very good, but where was it? Yeah, here it is. Shiny's Pokemon Essentials Black and White 2 mod. There's a lot of UI stuff. There's game mode screen, loading screen, save screen update, party screen. It looks pretty nice. Trainer card screen, bag scene. Lots of scripts to update. The menu script is a big one that I like a lot. Pokedex. The Pokedex actually crashed when I used it, so be careful. Some of these will crash your game if you don't like do them perfectly, but they're great. I'll link it in chat. Yeah, storage scene, receive item, transitions, seasons, and randomized weather, which I don't know about doing that. But yeah, I would say for UI mods, these are very good. Yeah, gotta love crashes. Gotta love unsolvable crashes. The best kind of crashes. When you stay up for 3 hours later than you thought you were going to, asking yourself, why? Why? Yeah, that used to be my night. I'd just be like, why is it crashing? Ah! And it was pretty stupid. Tell you what. I'll tell you what. Let's put this all on one layer. And let's flip these. And let's make this one green. There you go. Nice. So our area is a little nice. On a daily basis, yeah. That's so I have a 4-day weekend right now, and that's gonna be me all night. All of these nights, except maybe tonight, because I'm feeling tired. But basically, this is the hub center, and then this is the area around it. So maybe next stream, I'll work on maybe I'll work on some story, and maybe I'll work on some other routes. I feel like the routes are gonna be the fun part. But yeah, I definitely want to get in contact with some artists potentially, because I want to introduce like 2 rivals and a professor, and then maybe art for the character also. So it's really art for 4 people, shouldn't be too tough. Yeah. Wild Pokemons? Yeah, so right now there's wild Pokemons in here. It's not very good though, the list of wild Pokemon in here. I could change it. They're all just Bulbasaurs, but I can make it so that way they're like starter Pokemon. Where is it again? It's encounters. God. Late night brain farts. Smelly. Wait, am I looking at the right? Yeah. Wait, where? Did I not save? What the? Bulb. There he is. Bulbasaurs. Let's see. I wasn't going to work on Sunday. Oh man. But tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday off. See, that's pretty dope. That's still pretty good. The whole Sunday thing is kind of but everything else. Monday and Tuesday off? Yes, please. Okay, so like you could put a Rattata. I always say Rattata wrong. I always say it wrong, always. So this will go 2 to... Let's make it go like 2 to 5. Let's make all of these 2 to 5. Ah, what have I done? Cool, 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 cool. So you can have your Rattatas, your Pidgeys. I mean, this is all just work in progress. I don't know. the top percentage Rattatas. Yeah, Rattata-tata. Rattata-da-tata. Let's add our Wurmples. Let's add our Caterpies. Let's add our Sentrets. Let's add our Zigzagoons. Let's add our, what's it, Burmy? I don't know why I'm adding that, but I just felt like it. Let's add our Weedles. Let's add our Spinnerax. Let's add our Routes. Let's add our Poochyena. Let's add our... What's another good Pokemon to put here? I could put Spearow, I could put Mankey. Let's just put Pikachu. Why not? Very good. And then one thing I need to do is exclude modifier. I need to exclude this map from the list of Pokemon where they scale. Smokeweedle every day. Let's go. Bidoof. Oh god, we could add a Bidoof too. Oh no. Shudders. Yeah, so Wildfire, I don't know how much you know about my other Pokemon projects, like Pokemon Tidal, but Pokemon Tidal actually starts with an angry Bidoof attack. It's very similar to the beginning of Gen 3 when there's an angry Poochyena that attacks the professor. In Pokemon Tidal, an angry Bidoof attacks the professor, and then you have to fight it. But yeah, I definitely got Pidgey, Rattata, Wurmple, all of the good starters. So the Pokemon on this map won't scale, but a lot of the other Pokemon will. But yeah, I feel like I've made decent progress tonight. I've got a good game plan moving forward. We've got it all contained, and it's not too crazy, not too ambitious. Really, all I need to do is figure out what I'm going to do for the art for my characters, because all of the environment art, for the most part, is like going to be pretty easy. Because like I'm not really going to be modifying the base tile sets too much. I'm not really going to be revolutionizing the art here. It's not going to be a revolutionary game by any means. It's just going to be like good, simple fun, I think. Bidoof build, hell yeah. Competitive Bidoof. But yeah, I think I'm going to go to bed now. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to upload this to YouTube, so if you missed any of it, you can see it there. You can follow me, subscribe to YouTube on youtube.com/Thundaga. Or Thundaga, just Google Thundaga, go to my channel. Follow me on Twitter, Twitch, join the Discord, and all those personal shout-outs and all that stuff. Oh, Ultra Mega Super Kami Guru. Welcome back, dude. Yeah, you just got here. Dang. Sorry, man. Nighttime. But yeah, if you missed anything that you want to see, you can go to my YouTube. And I'll probably be streaming again tomorrow night, so I hope to see you then. But yeah, good night, you guys. Yeah, have a nice day tomorrow. You guys all have a nice day tomorrow too, and I'll see ya then. Bye, everybody. Peace.